వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ తవ కథామృతం తప్త జీవనం.
ఓం అజ్ఞానతిమిరాంధస్య జ్ఞానాంజనశలాకయ చక్షురున్మీలితం येन తస్మై శ్రీగురవే నమః. శ్రీచైతన్యమనోభీష్టం స్థాపితం మానం येन భూతలే స్వయం రూపకథామహ్యం దదాతి స్వపదాంతికం. వాంఛాకల్పతరుభ్యశ్చ కృపా సింధుభ్యో చ పతితానాం పావనేభ్యో వైష్ణవేభ్యో నమో నమః. NOA టెక్స్ట్ 3 ఉపదేశామృత్. They used to think spiritual life means going to Himalayas, renouncing this world, not being successful in material life. Then they think that spiritual life means going to Himalayas, renouncing this world. This is a big mistake. You are a loser. Therefore, you are accepting spiritual life. I completely changed the paradigm in the minds of not just those who became devotees, in the minds of those who did not become devotees also. We have to do prescribed duties. Learn to connect with more and more with Krishna. That is Saddharma Prucha. Dharma means occupational engagements. Saddharma means that is eternal and spiritual occupational engagements. Enquire about that. That is called Saddharma Prucha. Then Sadhu Marganugamana. You have to follow footsteps of previous acharyas. You should not invent your own paths. If you try to invent your own paths, that is not tat karma pravartanat. That is a new way of type of things. Many people are doing whatever they want. That is not considered as Sadhu Marganugamana, following in the footsteps of previous acharyas. Don't introduce newer things. For us, Sadhu means Srila Prabhupada. Sadhu Marganugamana means Srila Prabhupada standards should be followed. Don't introduce your new way of standard. He has given sufficient, neither too more nor too little. You don't have to add things also. Maybe Srila Prabhupada left something. We add things. If you add few things, the essential things you add. That's why we have to. Time is 24 hours every day. You don't have 28 hours. Out of that you should take 6 hours rest. Otherwise you are not able to function. We can't vegetables, so we got 18 hours only. Useful, peaceful time. Sleep is also useful. But within that 18 hours, you can only do so much. If you try to introduce your own idea, interpreted programs, you are not able to do recommended programs. You have to cut corners of them. So, I am serving as some devotee. My primary duty is to be what is prescribed to me. I do other things. I will not do my presidential duties properly. So, whatever Srila Prabhupada recommended, I will do them. I will not go mad after interpretations, losing our devotees. What is the service of each person? That should be understood. You should put your full focus in that way. That is Sadhu Marganugamana. Otherwise, you would be lost. You will be bewildered. then one should be willing to give up everything for Krishna. If you have done these things right, first 5 times right, the next one you have to give up everything for Krishna. For Krishna's sake, you have to give up everything. Even you have attachments, you have to give up. How crucial it is. You have proper relationship with Guru. If you don't have proper relationship with Guru, how can be possible to do this? On what strength you will be able to give up anything and everything? Reason that devotees give up everything that has wonderful treasure, that relationship with Krishna. Therefore, they can give up wealth, they can give up false ego, they can give up bad habits, they can give up subtle things. If they not cultivated this strong attachment to Guru, we will not be able to follow the other things. All self-style conceptions will be given up. Anything that manufactured in our own brain, give it up. Then you give 2 or 3 easier items. Number 1, one should worship Tulsi Devi. Oh, what a relief! Tulashamrita Janmasi Sada Tvam Keshava Priyaha Kesavardham Vichinmane Varada Bhavasobhane Padanga Sambhavai Patraihi Pujiyami Yadahare Tadakuru Pavitrangi Kalau Mala Vinashani Tulasi Krishna Prayasi. One of top 10 items, worshipping Tulsi Devi. It is not easy, Tulasi. Not easy. If you really want to do it, it takes effort. It takes timely action. It requires prayers. She grows nicely, service to Krishna. Taking the flowers, offering to Krishna. She is there to serve Krishna. She is not there to have a nice show. So that if you want to do it properly, it takes effort. You want to do superficial service, that is different. Just keep Tulsi for your own. Some people in India, they have Tulsi Devi, but they don't have really respect her. They have some overall idea. Tulsi grows nicely in India because the weather condition is so on, but they are themselves putting the heart into that. So this way, Srila Rupa Goswami Prabhupada, these are all stated in Madhya Leela chapter 22, 115, 149, 64 items. These are the most important items. There are other items, and out of those items Chaitanya Mahaprabhu identified 5 items which are the most important. Number 1, Nama Sankirtana. Nama Sankirtanesya Sarva Papa Pranasanam Pranamo Dukkha Samanastam Namami Harim Param. Harinama Sankirtana Yajna. Second, Madhura Nivasa, residing in a holy place. Third, worshipping the deity. Fourth one, hearing Srimad Bhagavatam. Fifth one, staying in the company of devotees, sadhu sangach. These 5 items are extremely important. Staying in the company of devotees is not superficially that. Within that, the remaining all 63 items are there. One should access the remaining 63 items in the company of devotees. Devotees means association of devotees. Through the association of devotees, one gets transcendental qualities. One should be looking for opportunities to see the qualities in others, that they have to see the qualities and try to learn, try to pray for the qualities. Certain Vaishnava does not have the qualities, associate with them closely. Although you should offer respect to them, if you offer respect, you cannot associate with them closely. Because that kind of relationship, we never disrespect or criticize a Vaishnava. Even they are not yet perfect in the achara, or even if prachara, one should not criticize devotees. I am stopping here. I will continue in next episode. Srila Guru Maharaj ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Sri Sri Radha Govind Ji Bhagwan ki jai, Nitai Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bol, Hare Krishna.